Good afternoon. My name is Girija. I am from Global Sainik Academy studying in grade 3. I am here to present my working model of rainwater harvesting. We all know the scarcity of water is major issue in places included Inner Bidar district. The region have 5 failed agriculture seasons due to less rainfall. Now I am going to explain my working model to you. First, the rainfall which is collected on roofs is supplied in a container through a pipe. Then the water from the container and the river bodies is supplied in a filtration plant. In filtration plant we have 4 layers. First is charcoal, second sand, third gravel, fourth pebbles. The water from both places is purified in filtration plant. Then the purified water is supplied in storage tank. Now the purified water stored in storage tank can be reused. By this method we can save water. Thank you.